Oh no! It seems like you have pirated Bruno the slime pet. Piracy is a serious crime according to the copyright law. For more information, visit www.dramaton.com/anti-piracy. For your own safety, it is clear that you turn off your iPhone. You have 5 chances. Oh man, you didn't turn off your iPhone. Now, you lost a chance. You now have 4 chances left. Please turn off your iPhone or you will lose another chance. Seriously, you didn't listen to us again? Come on. Alright, 3 chances. If you ignore us 3 more times, then something bad is going to happen. Turn off your iPhone, please. Are you kidding? You didn't listen to us again? Really? You're making him scary. And you wouldn't like him when he's scary. 2 more chances. Turn off your iPhone.
Okay, you really starting to get the Don't turn off your iPhone in the next 5 seconds. Then you're not gonna like what happens next.
Hey you! Did you try to go back to the game? You know you are not allowed to do that. But I'm not gonna jump scare you though. I'll just kick you out of the game instead. Thanks for being my pet, you dirty